Expressing suggestion and offers. Expressing suggestion.
Let's, followed by verb 1.
Example. Let's do it.
Why don't you,
Followed by verb 1. Example.
why don't you call your mother? We could,
Followed by verb 1. Example. We could order it for you. What about? Followed by verb
ing. Example,
What about reading to library?
how about,
Followed by verb
ing.
Example. How about fishing this afternoon?
I suggest, I propose, I recommend that.
Followed by subject plus verb. Example.
I suggest, I propose, recommend that you meet him. You need to,
Followed by verb 1. Example. You need to follow her. I think you should. Followed by verb 1. Example.
I think you should buy the house.
Accepting suggestions.
Yes, let's,
Followed by verb 1. Example. Yes, let's do it. Okay, I will.
it's a good idea.
Okay, if you say so. Declining suggestions. No, thank you.
No,
I don't feel like going. Sorry,
I think,
followed by subject plus verb. Example. Sorry, I think I asked my father first. No, let's just. Followed by verb 1. Example. No, let's just visit our parents. Sorry, I can't. Expressing offers.
give offers.
Can I help you?
Shall I?
Followed by verb 1.
Would you like? Followed by noun.
Can I?
Followed by verb 1.
How about if? Followed subject plus verb. Would you like me to? Followed by verb 1. Responding. Accepting the offers.
Yes, please.
I really appreciate it. Thank you. It's very kind of you.
Yes, please.
That would be lovely.
Yes, please. That would be very kind of you.
Thank you. I appreciate your help. Declining the offers. It's okay, I can do it myself.
No,
Thank you.
no, thanks.
I don't want another helping.
Don't worry, I will do it myself.
That's all right. I will manage on my own. Task, assignment. Make a short dialogue that contains expression of suggestion or expression of offer, with the response of accepting and declining.
Thank you.